I'm done analyzing over 20 pairs using the fxalexg set and forget strategy, and I'll show you guys the best pairs that will have the best opportunity for this week. So let's go over to my laptop and let me show you the best pairs we are willing to take. All right, coming over to my screen right now, the very first pair is GPBUSD, right? So we have a very strong support and resistance area right here. Last week the market was really trending very bullish, so it makes more sense that we are going to be buying in a bullish market, right? Daily time frame is bullish, weekly time frame is also bullish, and then the 4 hour time frame is actually technically bearish right now. So that's why we are going to be waiting for a clean break and retracement of all this high right here to continue buying. Oh, the market is actually even bullish, by the way. I'm just even realizing. The market is actually bullish. So 4 hours is also bullish, but we still need a clean break and retest above area of interest for us to buy, right? So that is the first trade idea. Break and retest to buy on GPUSD. Very similar price action with that of EURUSD, but it has a little bit slight change, right? So I'll show you exactly what I'm looking to see. So the price action on EURUSD is a little bit more cleaner. Sorry, the area of interest, right? The area of interest is a little bit more cleaner. If you come over to this area, you can see that we have a very clean rejection from this area. We had rejected this area again around this level. Same thing around this level, as you can see. Same thing even very recently, right? So it doesn't make sense that we should just look for a retracement down here and then start buying right into a resistance level, right? What makes more sense What makes more sense is to wait for a clean break and retest to continue buying EURUSD. So that is the next pair I'm willing to trade for next week. I need a clean break and retest above the area of interest to continue buying. We have USD card. USD card currently is very bullish on the 4 hour time frame, right? From last week's setups, we are calling for sales around this area, but the market structure is still bullish, in my opinion. It's still breaking highs. I don't like that market. I need market that is breaking lows in a bearish market to be interested for sales, right? So 4 hour time frame is actually currently bullish, in my opinion. The daily time frame is also bearish. So we have two time frame in sync. What we are simply going to wait for is for the 4 hour to start breaking new lows, so it will make the 4 hour shift structure bearish. Then we have a retracement of that structural point to sell. So pretty much this is exactly what I'm looking for. A break right here, this one right here, break under this area, a retracement, and an engulfing to sell. I'll be looking for this pattern. I'll be looking for the break on the 4 hour time frame, and then I'll be looking for a clean market structure which contains a break, retest, and engulfing on the 1 hour time frame, which will be my entry time frame. That's the third pair I'm willing to take for this week. So we also have CAD JPY and NZD JPY, very similar price action. Again, I broke down all these reasons I'm taking these trades on the longer version of this setup, which will be at the end of this video, by the way, right? So pretty much I'm waiting for a retracement right here to continue selling, and very similar price action with that of NZD JPY, right? So NZD JPY, I didn't even draw it, by the way. I need price to actually shift structure bearish under area of interest and retracement to continue selling. So those are the pairs I'll be paying attention to for this week. I covered a lot of things on the longer version of these setups. I covered what I was talking about on gold, right? I covered what I was talking about on gold. As you can see, there's a lot of work right here. You can go and check it out. It's going to be the next video after this particular video. So once you see it on your screen, just simply click it and watch the longer version. There's a lot of things to be learned on that video. I'll see you guys on the Telegram channel, where I'll be calling these trades live. To join the Telegram channel, just simply come over to the channel right here, click on this link right here, and to join the Telegram channel, click this ones that says Telegram. Then you can join the Telegram channel, see me call these trades live, see me enter live. You can also chat with your fellow traders that use the same strategy, in order to grow and build yourself. So